Hi, this is John, and this is week 101. Last week's episode I was pretty fat, so thanks to a lot of reasons, passport reasons, and also I'm going to be stuck in Taiwan for a bit, at least until February. So I thought I'd join the gym and maybe cut down some fat, and I'll record this whole episode in the gym, and I'll be the awkward one out, so let's see how it goes. Obviously, it'll be a little bit easier talking about this without planking, but this week I mainly focused on the mansion. So originally I made it a procedurally generated dungeon, but after making the library, it seems like the mansion is actually rife with possibilities to tell environmental stories, so probably going to make it probably going to handcraft the whole thing. So my plan is to make a dining hall, a library, an office at the very least, obviously a storage room probably, and maybe a couple, Gothic bedrooms. I don't know if it's Gothic, it's probably more Victorian, but I recently just watched Hunting of the Bly Manor thanks to Annie, my sister. She's the one who made me watch. I thought it was a scary story, but it was more of a love story. But thanks to that, I got a really good idea of what a Victorian mansion would generally look like. I don't know if it's actually Victorian. Everything old British just seems Victorian, so I just kind of put all that under it. But anyways, originally these were all going to be procedurally generated rooms, but like I said, when I was working on the library and I finished the fireplace with all the libraries. All the bookshelves are actually randomly generated as well. That's going to stay randomly generated, but with all the stuff placed, I realized that you can really tell a story, such as if a chair is down and a couple of books are by the fireplace, you can examine it and see what is being burned, what is something that the mansion owner don't want you to see. So I was like, you know what, maybe I should make this into a crafted place, a crafted dungeon. I've also been working on a new king for one of our friends here in Taiwan, but I didn't get enough time to color it. It looks pretty cool, but it'll be our very first necromancer in the game. Dhruv and I are thinking about when the lockdown ends, we'll travel the world to sell our packs and boxes of cards, and probably packs of king. So yeah, necromancer king sounds pretty cool. Overall, this week has been awesome. Not only did I get to start working on the mansion, which I've always wanted to do for a while, I've also got to reorganize and redraw a lot of the old furniture, so now they work and fit a lot better into the game. That includes windows that respawn according to daylight, randomly spawning bookshelves, and a lot more that I don't really remember. That's how much I work every time. And I got really good responses from last week's video, so I'll see if I can get to record more videos like that. I'll obviously need a camera crew to help me out, but it's all not out of the question. I don't think that's how you use the words, but I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
It's not often that someone comes along who is a true fan and listens to the end. You are both. You shall find us here